Your Profile Ultra-Fast Combo Washer and Dryer has an easy-access dual-stage lint filter between the display and the dispenser drawers for high-efficiency airflow. A big advantage of the combo is its ability to circulate high-speed filtered air to completely dry the load with gentle tumbling. You'll notice that less lint is generated through air tumbling versus standard dryers. However, any lint that is produced and deposited on the lint filter should be cleaned to maintain the highest drying efficiency. In the first video, we demonstrated basic cleaning methods of the lint filter assembly and the lint filter area. Please watch that before viewing this video. For this advanced cleaning, you will need the following items. A suitable appliance brush is available on the GE Appliances Parts website or at home centers. Please note that any appliance brush should have soft bristles to ensure it does not bend or damage the evaporator fins. A vacuum with a narrow attachment. A flashlight to help see inside the filter housing. Lint can collect in 3 main areas in this location: the inlet duct that directs air from the tub, the lint filter assembly channel, and the heat exchanger coils or fins. We will start with the cleaning of the inlet duct to the left of the filter opening. Bending the brush is needed to reach to the left. Insert the appliance brush into the lint filter opening. Move and twist the brush to clean the area. You may need to use the flashlight to see this area better. At all times, take care to avoid forceful contact with any of the electronics or operational elements of the unit, such as the heat exchanger. The next area that we will clean is the lint filter channel. The thinner brush in the GE Appliances brush set also works well for this area. While shining the flashlight into the lint filter opening, run the brush in and out along the bottom of the chute to collect any lint that has settled there. You can also use the brush to clean any lint that has been pushed into the cavity at the back of the channel. The last area that should be cleaned is the heat exchanger. Any accumulated lint on the fins can be easily brushed off by moving the brush up and down, and by also spinning the brush. As needed throughout this cleaning, slowly pull the appliance brush out of the lint filter opening while standing off to one side. Be careful, lint may become airborne when the bristles exit the opening. Clean the brush by shaking into a garbage can or outside the home. If any lint remains after shaking, pull it off with your hand or a towel. When done cleaning with the appliance brush, you should vacuum any accumulated lint in the filter area using an attachment. In addition to the extension provided with your vacuum, you can use longer extensions that will work better to reach all areas of the lint filter cavity. These longer vacuum extensions can be purchased at multiple online retailers. One such item is shown here. Again, be careful not to bend or damage the fins of the heat exchanger when using the vacuum extension. Once you are done cleaning the lint filter area, wipe off any lint that accumulated on the control panel. To complete the lint cleaning process, perform the following 2 steps in this order. Run a rinse and dry cycle to wash away any lint that dropped into the tub. After the dry portion of the cycle, recheck the lint filter area for any new lint that may have made its way back to the filter area and re-clean this area if appropriate. After finishing the rinse and dry cycle, clean the drain pump filter to remove any lint that may have been captured in the pump filter. If needed, consult our GE Profile Combo Clogged Pump consumer video on how to inspect and clean the pump filter. How often you should conduct this cleaning depends on numerous factors, such as the types of clothes and materials that are laundered, if any shedding pets are in the home, and your personal preference. Like a traditional dryer, you will not be able to clean 100% of the lint from your unit. We designed and tested the combo to ensure great drying performance even if there is a considerable amount of lint buildup. Do not modify your lint filter assembly in any way to attempt to improve its filtering capability. In addition, never operate the combo without its filter in place. Please consult your owner's guide for more information on cleaning your filter.